because this one's very similar to the previous one, I haven't bothered doing that, so I've just cut and pasted those. Do we need to add any other information to this one?
Yes.
What else do we need? Houses. So the houses table needs to come into it. We now have 4 tables, so what does that mean in terms of how many links do we need to do?
3.
Okay, so at the moment we've got 2. So, Nick, what in the houses table links somewhere else?
The house code.
Very good. Okay, and it's also in the students table. I've got a house code. Okay, do these bits need to match? So does house code there need to match house code there, the word? No, it doesn't actually. Okay, as long as your data matches. So you could link the number of kids someone has with the number of cars they own. So if you had a column with number of kids is 3, number of cars is 3, you could link that together because the data is the same. So the names of them don't need to be identical. Most of the times they are. That's just good practice, but it doesn't have to be. Okay, now we've got that all sorted out. I'll just kill this because you can't have comments. That's everything linked together. So you'll see that it's really quite wide. Okay. Why don't we just make spreadsheets then? Why do we bother with databases? Okay. What would I have to do if I was in this database and if I looked at that and I wanted Albert changed his name to Alfred? How many times do I have to change it in this one? Okay, in this one I just have to change it 6, even if we do it really efficiently in a spreadsheet. Okay, if we have it in a table, I simply need to go into the students table and I change Albert there to Alfred once and the whole lot is sorted out. So you imagine if you've got millions and millions of rows of stuff that you would get if it wasn't efficiently done, it would be a bit painful. Okay, back to this. What actual fields or which columns do I need to look at? Okay, subject names important. We want to see percentage and the house name. Okay, you shouldn't ever see things like stud codes and house codes and subs codes and all that stuff up in your select because they're codes, they're not actual stuff that people understand. Okay, now we've got that part done. Now we've got to do some more filtering down. So we want the people in Thorpe House. Who's Thorpe House named after you think? Ian Thorpe. He's a good swimmer, Ian Thorpe. Okay, so now we've got all the Thorpe House people. You'll see that we've got Ivana, Jack, Stan and Tony in our list. So we know we're on the right track, and the advantage of doing it step by step is you can sort of limit your stuffing up, I suppose. Okay, we now want geography people. So this is our new column that we're interested in doing something with. So, and subject name. So now we've got, whoop, why is that? Because I can't spell. I can spell, I can't type. Okay, so now we've got it down to that.
6.
And we wanted people, yeah, Ivana struggles with her geography. Yeah. It's hard to find a fruit or vegetable that starts with an I. Sorry. Okay, now we want percentages greater than 50. So we've only actually, we should only get Tony Tomato. Should be the only one that we get. And, okay, which one's less than, which one's greater than? Good. Crocodile. Don't talk about crocodiles or I'll help you. Okay, remember we want it greater than 50. Okay, why don't I need to put the little thingamajig? That's right, it's a value, a number. Okay, and then there we go, we've got the person